A structural audit confirmed geotechnical inconsistencies in one 18-story tower at SNN Raj Etternia. The developer has formally notified the Greater Bengaluru Authority and initiated a controlled demolition plan. 49 units are covered under a zero-cost reconstruction commitment. The phased teardown is scheduled for 6 months, followed by 18 months of rebuilding. Regulatory teams are monitoring soil stability compliance and reviewing the earlier occupancy certificate process. The total administrative cycle is projected at roughly 2 years from demolition to handover. This case highlights procedural gaps in structural verification and occupancy certification. Residents are advised to maintain documentation, verify approvals, and report anomalies immediately. Transparency and timely audits remain the foundation of safe urban housing.